Hello guys, I'm Maria from CANBEST YouTube channel. Today I will introduce to you a new LED display. It's texture LED series. So why we designed this LED display? Because we want the LED display integral your space and your place easily. So we can see the LED in everywhere, in shopping mall, restaurants, any place, etc. But when the LED is not using, it's look black. So this does not look good. For using in trade show or the stage or any other setting, the black screen totally it's fine. But if you want to use an interior to your decor, it's not looking elegant. When we decorate our space, we should be carefully and specific. And when we're shopping for the LED display, we'd like to have both the excellent visualization and the great looking. And the LED texture, it's provide to you both. When the screen is drawn off, it will be not looking black. It will be integral with your design and your space and will be look like wallpaper. Our display is totally customizable. As you can see here, just send to us the picture of your design and we'll create specially display to your space. At a restaurant or at a company, you can customize a screen with your logo. In your living room, you can also customize a screen matching to your wall or your design. This display with pixel pitch just 0.9mm with 4K or 8K resolution. It's used COB technology with nano-optical layer to enhance the reliability, the protection and the performance to the screen. And also it's high water resistance, and I will show you that. This is all we have for you today. So what do you think about this screen? If you are designing your space, please rethinking about which beautiful screen you needed. If you are interested, feel free to contact us. CANBEST is best for you. Please follow our channel and keep to add the comment below.